Join your palms, close your eyes, and you can also say along with me without unmuting your mic. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Shashwat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Saraswati Namasubhyam, Varadev Kamarupini, Vidyarambam Karishyami, Siddhit Bhavatu Me Sada. Children, open your eyes. All over the world, coronavirus has spread, so we need to maintain social distancing as well as we must wear masks. Wash your hands properly with soap or liquid hand wash for at least 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer frequently that help us to free from the germs. Yes. 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 We are going to update the calendar. We are going to update the calendar. We are in the year. We are in the year 2020. We are in the year 2020. Next comes the month. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Shall we recap the months of the year with action, children? Yes. You are going to snap for the month which has 31 days, and you are going to clap for the month which has 30 days, and you are going to pat on our shoulder for February month which has 28 days. In leap year, it has 29 days. Okay, children? Are you ready? Yes, you can also say along with me without unmuting your mic. Okay? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yes, we are in July month. We are in July month. It is the seventh month of the year. It is the seventh month of the year. Next comes the day. Next comes the day. Shall we recap the days of week with the song, children? Yes, you can also sing along with me without unmuting your mic. Okay, dears? Yes. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. Yes, dears, please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Thank you. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. T H U R yes D A Y. Today is Thursday. Today's date is 9. This date is 9, 7. We are in the 7th month, July month, and 2020. We are in the year 2020. Today's date is 9, 7, 2020. Yes, we update the calendar. Now we are going to update the weather with a song. Okay, children? See outside? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? We are in block 3. We are in block 3. My family. We are in block 3. My family. Today we have team time. Today we have team time. In team time, we are going to learn about my family. We are going to learn about my family and different kinds of families. Okay, children? Here we go. Yes, dears, please mute your mic. Yes, please mute your mics. Thank you. Yes, dears, we all love our family, right? We all love our family. Shall we learn a rhyme and sing to our family members? Shall we learn a rhyme and sing to our family members? Okay, children, are you ready? The rhyme name is I love you. Rhyme name is I love you. First, listen carefully and repeat after me. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay, children? Are you ready? I love you. I hope you all repeat after me, right? I love you. You love me. We are family, as it should be. With a big hug and kiss from me. Won't you say you love me? Shall we sing once again? Yes, children, repeat after me without unmuting your mic. I love you. You love me. We are family, as it should be. With a big hug and kiss from me. Won't you say you love me? Yes, now ma'am is going to sing little bit faster. Okay, children? Yes. I love you and you love me. We are family, as it should be. With a big hug and kiss from me. Won't you say you love me? Yes, children, I hope you all like this rhyme, right? You also learn this rhyme and sing to your family members. Okay, dear? Now I'm going to turn off my video. Over to Anna Lakshmi, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Pramila ma'am. Yes, dears, happy morning. Yes, today we are in block 3, my family, right? Yes, hope you all enjoy the rhymes too. Hope you sing the rhyme to your family members. Yes, I love you rhyme. Yes. Now, ma'am is going to tell you about a family. Yes, ready? Okay. What is a family? What is a family, dears? A family is a group of 2 or more people who live together. Yes, family is a group of 2 or more people who live together. Yes, you all know that we live with our father, mother, yes, sometimes even our grandparents, right? Grandfather, grandmother, brother and sister. Yes? Yes, dears. So, who are these people? Father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brother and sister. Who are these people? Yes, dear, you can mute your mic, okay, and listen. Yes. They are our family members, right? Who are these people? They are our family members. They are our family. Yes? So, now we know what is a family and who are the family members. Yes? Next, we are going to see the types of family. Yes? We are going to see the types of family. Types of family. Yes, dears, mute your mic. Yes, thank you. There are two kinds of family. Yes, there are two kinds of family. See, a small family and big family. Small family and big family. Yes. See the pictures in the small family. Yes, can you see the picture? Yes. See, parents and children are there. Yes, very less members here. Yeah. Yeah.
Very big family.
Yes, I'm hearing myself. Please mute your mic, dears.
கொஞ்சோண்டா ஸ்மால் இது நிறைய தான் பிக்கா.
Yes. Pramila ma'am, is my voice is clear?
It's echo.
Sorry?
It's echo.
Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, here are two kinds of family, small family and big family. See the pictures in the small family? Very less members, right? Father, mother and children are there. Yes, small family has less members. Do you know what? Small family is also called a nuclear family. What is that? You just repeat after ma'am without unmuting your mic, okay? Small family is also called a nuclear family. What is that? Nuclear family, okay? See this side, this picture, big family, yes? Can you see the picture of big family here? Yes, they're having more members, right? So, big family has more members, yes? You see your parents, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt and children are there, yes? So in big family there are more members. Some family have even pets at home. Do you see the pets? Hope you all also having pets. Yes? Yes. Big family, there are more members and do you know big family is also called a joint family. Yes? Big family is also called a joint family. Yes, dears? Hope you understand this. Small family has less members. Small family is also called a nuclear family. Yes? Big family has more members and big family is also called a joint family. Yes, dears? At the end of this session, ma'am will ask whether your family is big or small. Yes? Okay. Now, we are going to see the members of small family. Yes, members of small family. You all know, right? What is small family, right? Small family has more members or less members? Less members, right? Small family has less members. See here, who are the members? Shall we see? Father, mother, brother and sister. Yes, small family has less members and what is the other name for small family? Nuclear family. What is that? Nuclear family. Okay. Small family has less members. The members of small family are father, mother, brother and sister. Okay. Small family is also called a nuclear family. Okay, dears? Then Then we'll see the members of.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Dhanalakshmi ma'am, 1 minute. Tulirvili of UKGC, please mute your mic, dear.
ஸ்மால் ஃபேமிலியில் வந்து
Tulirvili
பிரதர் சிஸ்டர் தான்
of
இருப்பாங்க.
UKGC, please mute your mic,
ஸ்மால்
dear.
ஃபேமிலியில் வந்து ஃபாதர் மதர் பிரதர் சிஸ்டர் மட்டும் தான் இருப்பாங்க ஸ்மால் ஃபேமிலியில்.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, dears. We have seen about the members of small family, right? Now we are going to see about the members of big family. I told you, right? What is big family, dears? Big family has more members, right? So big. Yes, more members. And see here, the members of big family: grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, and who is this? Uncle, okay? Uncle, aunt, and brother, sister, and can you see these children? Yes, who are they? They are cousins, okay? They are cousins. Who are cousins, dear? Do you know? Who is cousins? Cousins are children of uncle and aunt, okay? Cousins are children of uncle and aunt. Yes, dears? So, members of here are the members of big family. Yes? So, the big family has more members. And what is the other name for big family? It is a joint family. Yes, big family is also called a joint family. Yes, dears? So, small family has less members and it is a nuclear family, and big family has more members and it is a joint family. Yes? Hope you understand this family members and what is a family, right? Yes. Now, ma'am is going to sing a rhyme for you. Yes? Can you see me? Is my screen is visible? Yes, Pramila ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
பாரு மிஸ் என்ன செய்கிறாங்க.
Yes, dears. Happy to see you all. Yes. So, we learned what is a family. Yes, and who are the members of the family, and what is a big family, and what is a small family. Yes, hope you understand that. Yes. Now, ma'am is going to sing a rhyme. Yes, ready? New rhyme. Yes, about the family. Yes, dears, all of you sit straight. Sit straight. Yes, you should not unmute your mic. Yes, Sharon dear, please mute your mic and repeat after ma'am. Okay, ready? Yes? Yeah. Yes? Yeah. Ishal Aravind of UKGC, please mute your mic. Ishal Aravind. Yes, thank you. Shall we start? Yeah. Yes, dears. You can repeat after ma'am. Yes. The name of the rhyme is What is a Family? The name of the rhyme is What is a Family? Yes. Shall we start? What is a family? Are you all repeating? What is a family? Who is a family?
Who is a family?
One and another makes two is a family. Baby and father and mother are a family. Parents and sister and brother are a family. kinds of people can make up a family. Yes? Did you all hear? Did you all repeat after ma'am? Yes? Now one more time ma'am is going to sing the rhyme. You just sing along with me. You just repeat after me. Then it will get into your mind. Yes? Ready? I want all my kids to mute your mic. Yes? Yes. Ready. Okay? I'm hearing some noise over there. Kindly mute your mic. Yes, ready? Yes. What is a family? Who is a family? One and another makes two is a family. Baby and father and mother are a family. Parents and sister and brother are a family. All kinds of people can make up a family. Yes, now you got it? Yes, one more time. This time ma'am is going to sing fast. Yes? Ready? Kindly mute your mic, dears. Still ma'am is having disturbance. Yes, shall we go? Yes. What is a family? Right, okay. What is a family? Who is a family? One and another makes two is a family. Baby and father and mother are a family. Parents and sister and brother are a family. All kinds of people can make up a family. Yes? Do you all enjoy the rhymes? Yes? Hope you can sing this rhyme. Yes? Don't worry, ma'am will sing again and again in the next class also. Then you can sing. Yes, dears, don't worry. Now, Pramila ma'am is going to tell more about family. Yes, over to Pramila ma'am.
Thank you, Anna Lakshmi ma'am. Yes, dears, please mute your mic. I can hear some noise over there. Please mute your mic. Yes, dears, now we are going to see about family traditions. We are going to see about family traditions. Look at the picture. Can you all see those families? Can you all see those families? Yes, here one family. Here one family. And here one family. And down there is one family. And here one family. Yes. Are they all same children? Are they all same? No, right? Yes, no. They dress up in different way. See, they dress up in different way. And they speak different languages. They speak different languages like Tamil, Malayalam, Bengali and Punjabi. They speak different languages like Tamil, Malayalam, Bengali and Punjabi. As well as they eat different foods. They eat different foods. And they celebrate different festivals. They celebrate different festivals like Pongal, Onam, Dasara, Guru Nanak Jayanti. So children, they dress up in different way. They dress up in different way. They eat different food. They eat different food and they celebrate different festivals. They celebrate different festivals. This is their family traditions. This is their family tradition. Each family is special and unique in their own way. Each each family is special and unique in their own way. Yes, children, so we must respect all kinds of family traditions. We must respect all kinds of family traditions. Okay, children? Yes. Here comes the next one. Respect all. What? Respect all. Yes, children, we must respect our elders and family members. We must respect our elders and family members. Whenever they need help, we have to do it immediately. We have to do it immediately. Okay, children? We must respect our elders. We must respect our elders. And I know my children are very good and they respect everyone. Here comes the next one. Yes, family get together. What is that? Family get together. Look at the picture. Children, look at the picture. The first one is birthday party. Birthday party. The next one is picnic. Wow, picnic. Yes, children, family join together to celebrate birthday parties, right? Yes, family join together to celebrate birthday parties and we go for a picnic or temple, right? And we used to have lots of fun during that time. We have lots of fun during that time, right? And we will be very happy to see our family members. We will be very happy to see our family members, right? And we will have a lovely time. We will have a lovely time. So children, families are very, very important. Okay, families are very, very important and we all love our family. We all love our family, right? Yes. So, we have seen about families. We have seen about families, right? Now we are going to see about the keywords. Now we are going to learn few keywords. Children, sit straight and listen carefully, okay? The first word is family. Family. The next word is special. Special. The next word is happy. Happy. The next word is care. Care. The last word is help. Help. Shall we see once again? Yes, the first word is family, special, happy. Yes, dears, please mute your mic. Thank you. The next word is cat. The last word is help. So children, we learned 5 keywords, right? We have learned 5 keywords. So tell your parents to write the keywords and paste it on the wall. Children, tell your parents to write the keywords and paste it on the wall. Okay? It helps you to read the words. Okay, children? Yes. Over to Anna Lakshmi, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Pramila ma'am. Okay, dears, kindly mute your mic. Yes. So, we learned about what is family, members of family, yes, types of family, and we also learned 5 keywords, right? Yes, tell your parents to write and paste it on the wall so that whenever you are crossing that, you can read it. Yes, that helps you to read. Okay, dears? Yes, this activity is for you, right? After this session, ma'am will give this PDF PPT. I will post this PPT in the classroom. You just draw your family members like this and color it and post it in the class group. Yes, dears? Now, ma'am is going to sing one more time the rhymes. Yes? Ready? First rhyme we have seen two rhymes, right? What is the first rhyme? I love you, right? Yes? Shall we sing once again? Yeah. Yes, dears. You can mute your mic and you can sing along with ma'am, okay? I love you. You love me. We are family as it should be, with a big hug and kiss from me. Won't you say you love me? Yes? That was nice, right? Yeah, one more time, yeah? I love you. You love me. We are family as it should be, with a big hug and kiss from me. Won't you say you love me? Yes? Hope you enjoyed this rhyme. And we have one more rhyme. Yes? What is that? Yeah. What is a family? Ready? Yes, kindly mute your mic. Ready? Now you can sing along with me. Yes? Yeah. What is a family? What is a family? Who is a family? One and another makes two is a family. Baby and father and mother are a family. Parents and sister and brother are a family. All kinds of people can make up a family. Yes? Yes. Hope you all enjoyed this rhyme. One more time I'm going to sing. Yes? Ready? I want all my kids to mute your mic so that you can hear me clearly. Yes? Yes? Yes. What is a family? Who is a family? One and another makes two is a family. Baby and father and mother are a family. Parents and sister and brother are a family. All kinds of people can make up a family. Yes? Hope you all enjoy this time. Okay, so today we have seen what is a family. Yes, who are the members of the family, and we should have to respect our family members. We should have to help our family members, and we have learned 5 keywords. Yes. Is my screen is visible, ma'am? Pramila, ma'am?
It is in what is a family time side, I think.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have seen all that. Yes. Again, ma'am is going to share. Hope you all sing this I love you rhyme to your family members. Yes, dears? Now you can you see my screen, ma'am?
No, ma'am. Shall I start, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes.
Sorry for the inconvenience, parents. We have some network issue. Yes, ma'am, you can
Yes.
share.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, dears. Ready? Are you all ready with your family photo? Yes. I want. Yes, are you all ready with your family photo?
முடிய போதா கிளாஸ்
Yes. Now you can turn on your video alone. Okay, you don't want to unmute your mic. Just turn on your video and show your family photo. Yes.
ಯಾರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಕ್ಕ ಓ ಅಮ್ಮ
Yes, I can see all the families here. Yeah, superb. Very good. And in your drawing, in your activity, draw and color activity, you can write whether is your family is big or small. Okay. Yes, I can see all the pictures. Lovely photos. Yes. Wow, superb. Yes, I can see Mitran, Danish, Danya, Polian, Pranita, Reshwin, Rubesh, Darshan, Hansavardhini, Tarun Vijay, Sai Aditya, Sarvesh, Sashwin, Mithun Krivam. Wow, what a big family, right? Abhinav, Krishanya, Ishal, Danya, Pranita, Dakshit. Nice. Samyukta, Subiksha, Sushin, Vish Prajesh. Some of you are sitting with your grandparents also. Yes. Yashwant. Wow. Sri Harivasan. Nirvigna. Yes, I can see all. Yeah, very good. Lekha Sri, Nirvigna, Aishwarya Kumar, Pranaveshwaran. Yes, superb, very good. Mute your mic so that you can enjoy all your friends' family. Yes, family photos they are showing, right? Vish Prajesh, Arush, Baladarshan, Anshika, Arish, Jayashini, Sai Dashini, Kalaivani. Yes, mute your mic and turn on your video, dears. Diana, Meghna, Ramukesh, Darshanar. Yes, I can see many of you. Yeah. Sarvesh, wow. Some are sitting with your grandparents also. Yes, very nice. Some made some family tree also. Very great. I'm just very happy to see all of you. Yeah, superb. Nice. Very good, dears. I want all my kids. I have seen all the photos, all family photos. I'm very happy.
சொல்லிட்டாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
Yes.
என் பேரை
எனக்கு புரியலையே
For
நான் சொல்கிறேன் நான் அப்படி தான் போட்டுருவேன்
that I'm giving you Star.
Star countdown. Star.
Is a nice is in the class. Okay. Yeah. So,
Dena dure birthday. Na dure birthday. Nane. Why are we doing this?